Today we're going to look at linear versus nonlinear functions. A linear function is a function whose graph is a straight line. A nonlinear function is a function whose graph is not a straight line. So if we look at number 1, is this the graph of a straight line? So they want me to say if is it linear or is it nonlinear. So for this one, I would say it is nonlinear. I'm just going to write non. For number 2, that is a straight line. So that would be linear. For number 3, 3 is this U shape. This U shape is actually called a parabola, which we will talk about in a few other sections. But this parabola is a U, so it is not linear. And this curved graph here for number 4 is also non-linear. So if they give you the picture of a graph, you can easily see if it's a line or if it's not a line. We can also look at equations of linear functions and determine if they will form a line. In order to notice that, we should be able to get it in the form of y equals mx plus b, the slope-intercept form. Both x and y variables have to have an exponent of 1. So if we look at number 5, y equals 1/4 x minus 1. Well, that is in the form of y equals mx plus b. 1/4 is my slope, -1 is my y-intercept. So this is a linear function. As soon as I look at the next one, I notice that this has an exponent of 2. Can't have exponents. It will not form a linear equation. So this one would be a non-linear equation. Then when I look at the number 7, I also notice that this is in the form of y equals mx plus b. -7 is my y-intercept, 1/2 is my slope, so this is linear. If I look at number 8, the x and the y cannot be multiplied together, so this here would be non-linear. Number 9, already I see this exponent of 2, so that's non-linear. And here, the x is my exponent, so x can't be an exponent, so this is also going to be non-linear.